Today's washers have improved wash performance, energy efficiency, and water conservation. Before purchasing a washer, think of the size of the load you typically wash, how often you use your washer, and who in the household does the laundry. Also, consider the cycle options and features you would like. There are 4 types of washers. Traditional top-load washers make loading and unloading easy. They feature a central agitator, and you can adjust the water level and temperature settings. Top-load efficiency washers have no agitator, so they hold larger loads. They also offer more wash cycle options and use less energy and water than traditional washers. Plus, they feature higher spin speeds, so clothes require less dry time. Then there are high-efficiency front-load washers. Newer models typically clean better and are more efficient than most high-efficiency top-load models. These front-load models determine the amount of water used for each load based on the weight of the clothes. And if space is an issue, there are compact washers which may be ideal for 1 or 2 person households. For more detailed information about this and many other popular tools and products, check out the DIY projects and ideas section of HomeDepot.com or talk to one of our store associates.